bedroom. You know.
Screen out.
Yeah.
For
like,
girls.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
I'm
Good. Yeah.
good. Not really red.
And it's her birthday.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
My week is crazy because I have all these interviews and on top of that, like I'm training.
So, this one.
Yeah.
7, 3.
Yeah.
If she is tired and she still look very pretty, but what if she's not tired? She
Oh
look
my
more.
god, and what energy she will have.
Yeah.
Gave some ideas. And yeah, it's just less time, but okay, welcome to how to escalate on a date. I mean, like, if you are short, like, to pick up short girls, I mean, you know. Here to wear those heels. He asked her, and she came. This is first date. Take a detail from environment. Oh, a shop called Max. Smallest finger. Small. Before sex, smelling your neck. As you see, her body language change. Yeah, what I'm shooting, you know. Here, does she dance okay or not? Something like that, probably. For example, it's you already did like this. Hugging. Yeah. Audi, Volkswagen, you know.
Very nice legs, you know. Yeah. So.
Thanks.
So what you like to do in your free time? Be really awesome if we dance together, you know.
Yeah, I think.
Oh, here.
You don't have to selfies.
He's very in the moment, enjoying selfies, you know, doing with a girl.